Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Once upon a time, in a land not so far away, and oh, not so big anyway, there stood a church, which was not so big as well, but inside, something big was about to begin. It all started on January 29, 2020 when Pastoral Lika proposed an idea, and with the blessing of Pastoral Len, a dream was set in motion. And that dream was 5 years ago. Maraming nangyayari sa 5 taon. Maraming tumawa, maraming natuto, maraming naging meeting na nauwi sa bonding. At higit sa lahat, maraming nabuong GC na, aminin nyo, naging tahimik after 3 days. At isang araw, nagising na lang kami. May bagong post sa page. Kumakanta, muntik nang mayanig ang araneta.
Sing of your love forever.
Okay na to.
Pero balikan muna natin ang nakaraan gaya ng kung paano natin balikan ang mga kasalanan ng mga kalalakihan noong 8:30 ng umaga, December 15, 2019. Char. By January 30, the excitement was real. Home visitations, flyers, and non-stop page postings. Yes, ganun ka-determined. Then, on February 5, 2020, history was made. Dumagsa ang mga kabataan. Mga bagong muka, may ilan kilala na, pero lahat may isang bagay na dala. Uhaw. Hindi lang sa tawanan at kwentuhan, kundi sa isang bagay na mas malalim. Paglago, pananampalataya, at isang tunay na tahanan. Pero teka. Plot twist. Dumating ang March 2020. Boom! The pandemic hit. Strict quarantine measures, lockdowns, and social distancing. Biglang huminto ang lahat. Pero kahit parang tumigil ang mundo, hindi naman tumigil si Lord. Pansamantalang nagsara ang pinto, pero hindi nawala ang apoy. Taong 2021, nagdiwang tayo ng first anniversary. Ang tema, Unfailing Love. And so slowly, we found our way back. We also had continuous Friday gatherings just like the love, courtship, and marriage session. Then came 2022. Life was unpredictable, and just when we thought we had it figured out, plot twist. But instead of stopping, we embraced the unexpected. And by December, we declared this was not the end, it was just the beginning. 2023, a new chapter, turning the page. We also had a stronger comeback through Apaw Muli. New leaders rose, new hands lifted the work higher, and by October, we were no longer returning. We were ready and set to move. And now, 2024, a year of transitions, of detours, of torches passed. But through it all, one thing remains. Apaw has never just been an event. It is a story of lives changed. Kabataang natuto, nahubog, at lumago. It has reached beyond walls, beyond churches, beyond age. Professionals, students, dreamers, seekers, lahat ay naging bahagi ng kwentong ito. And none of this would have been possible without the hands that help us up. To our Batibot Project, Young Adult Ministry, and pastoral staff, your unwavering support, they have carried us through. At sa'yo na nawala, sa'yo na nanatili, sa'yo na lumayo, at sa'yo na bumalik. Salamat dahil minsan kang naging bahagi nito. And so we stand here today, not just looking back, but moving forward, because this is not the end of the story. Ito ay simula ng panibagong kabanata. This is Apaw at 5 years and so on.
1, 2, 3, action. Tawa kayo kunwari. Bakit may sobrang kasi habang nag-aakyat?